really good steak cut potato fries, and I just stick them in the air fryer for 22 minutes, and they are just great. I eat these. Bill loved these. So this is what I'm preparing today. Okay. And I'm gonna have some Sofrito tofu with some rice, leftover rice I made the other day along with one of these tortillas. And this is my breakfast. I kind of eat my dinner for breakfast, and I switch it around to a salad in the evening. So just want you to know, this is what I have for breakfast. I showed you these fries. I purchased these fries at the Dollar Tree. I love going to the Dollar Tree to get these fries. Oh, it's delicious.